Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to forecast, analyze gold forecast for near next week gold trading. So last week we made good profit from the gold trading. So Telegram link is below. You can join with the gold trading community and make good profit. So let's see what will going on next week. So I'm in a 1 hour chart gold. So this is the interesting level is there. That's this level. So price several times tested this level and last week break this level and retest. This is the 3025 level. So I am seeing here pattern. This is the left shoulder and the head, and this is also right shoulder created and the breakout to the downside. This is the reversal pattern I am seeing here, technically picture 1 hour chart. So price now breakout to the downside this point and retest point and break out this area and retest now this area. This is the left side support, then can be a resistant in this area. So next week I am hoping sell opportunity goal 3985 is the my next level target. This area you have a sell opportunity, but wait for the price action. So market uncertainty is the important. So Donald Trump's traffic plans also important. So market uncertainty continue, that can be gold pushed to the upside. Remember, gold is a safe haven asset. So that's the option next week. So last week, so FOMC meeting was there. That's the Federal Reserve American Central Bank paused the rate on last week. This is the Forex practice. So 4.5 is the current rates. Also last FOMC meeting paused the rate on 4.5%. So this is the rate now. So Fed watch tool indicates. So I'm going to the FX Street website. So that indicating no hurry to cut rates due to uncertainty from Trump's traffic. That's the FX Street website mentioned. That's the Fed is no hurry to cut rates. So that's the Trump's traffic from there. That's the inflation. Also inflation expectation imported to the Donald Jerome Powell. That's the mentions in the FOMC meeting last week, March Fed conference. So rate post indicate that the dollar demand with the FOMC meeting and the gold some drop to the below side. So that's the Fed watch tool indicate. So next FOMC meeting is the May month FOMC meeting, also indicated to rate pause in 4.5%. So that will help to dollar demand and gold can be dropped to the below side with the rate post forecast for the Fed's side. So that the economic data. So next week, what is the important two economic events? That's the first one is the GDP quarterly report is there. USA GDP report is there. So GDP report is there next week, and the COPC price index also is there. That's the two important economic events you should touch with if you are trading gold regarding US dollar next week. So that's the important economic events next week. So that's the PC price index also in there next week. So you should touch with the economic data if you are trading gold. So US dollar now is the demand with the last FOMC meetings, Fed's hawkish tone. So let's see the what are the important economic levels, important levels you should touch with the next week gold trading. So that's the cost PC price index there next Friday. You should touch with it. So let's see the important levels. What are the important levels you should touch with if we are trading gold? So next week. So this is the 1 hour chart. So I am going to the 4 hour chart. Technically levels, technically important levels. This 4 hour chart. This is the 4 hour chart. So this is the trend is upside. You can see. So it's still gold demand. Gold bias is still interesting. So next week, so I'm hoping some retracement to the downside. So this is the 4 hour chart. so indicates, so this trend line is also important. This is the price, this area, this is the I am seeing this area 2985 area is the next retracement area with the 4-hour chart. So this is the also price can be dropped to the this side, not market uncertainty affected, not important uncertainties. So gold price can be dropped to the below support line is the 2985. So this is the price up push the upside, this the upside trend line, and with the 4-hour chart technically, and also is the downside trend line is there. This is the candle ranging price push to the upside. So two moves now is completed, so going to complete, you can see with the 4-hour chart. This is the first move, and the second move now can is the retracement to this level is the 2980 level is the this is the point. Next retracement level I am hoping next week. So this is the 4-hour chart technically important levels. So let's see the daily chart. So let's see the daily chart. So I'm going to the now I am going to daily chart. So what is the important level? So this is the daily chart. So daily chart, you can see sellers are inactive in this level. Last Thursday, Friday, you can see the red candles. So still trend is the upside. So still gold trend is the upside, but last Thursday, Friday daily candle, you can see red candles. So this point is the next retracement level with the daily chart also indicate. So technically important level 2985, 3000 next week. That's the important technically levels if we are trading gold. So weekly chart say still buyers are under control. Last week weekly candle, this is the weekly chart, still green candle, bullish candle, still buyers are in under control gold chart. So because of the lot of uncertainty in the globally, so war uncertainty, Trump's traffic's uncertainty, if there's a more uncertainty, that will help to gold demand, because of gold is the safe haven asset. So if you should touch with the market uncertainty. This is I am telling with the economic data and technical setup. If market uncertainty continue, no economic data effect, that's gold demand. That's the two side I am saying. So that you touch with the market uncertainty also. So let's see. Thank you very much.